Meaning of full-bodied.
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 Full-bodied. Full-bodied is a term commonly used to describe a wine or coffee that has a rich and robust flavor, texture, and aroma. A full-bodied wine typically has a higher alcohol content, a fuller body, and a more intense flavor profile than a lighter wine. In coffee, full-bodied refers to a coffee with a heavy, rich texture and deep flavor notes. This term can also be used to describe other foods and beverages with similar characteristics. Overall, full-bodied suggests a strong, substantial, and satisfying taste experience.